Welcome to my video about submitting Progress Report 1. So as you probably saw in the course syllabus, you will be creating 3 progress reports throughout the first half of the semester, or in this case summer. So starting out, we want to go to our course Moodle by going to learn.illinois.edu and then clicking on our course section. So that's where we are now. We're in our course Moodle. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of week 1, which is where Progress Report 1 can be submitted. So looking at the summary here, we can see that we're supposed to begin and complete Progress Report number 1 in week 1. Now because this is a journal entry and not a Word document you'll submit, the progress report will not show up over here in the upcoming events, so just keep an eye on that, okay? Alright, so this is a fairly simple assignment. I'm going to click on that and it'll give you more information of what it consists of. Okay, so all you really need to do is write a paragraph, maybe 2 paragraphs, on where you are. Literally what progress you've made so far in the class and what you're about to work on next. At this point, when you are submitting the progress report, it should be near the end of week 1, and that means you should be right in the middle of assignment 7063. You should have begun it, but not yet submitted it. At least it's not due yet. So you might want to talk about where you are with assignment 7063 as well as any other work you're doing for the class. Okay, so when you're ready, just click on Start or Edit My Journal Entry. Now this will close in a couple days after week 1 is over. So each of the progress reports does have a time frame that you can enter it and revise it. And if you don't get your progress report in on time, it'll close down and you'll miss out participation points for that. And the whole point of this is for me to see where you are in progress. So if you write these later, it defeats the purpose. Okay, so here's your journal entry, and you just write. Do try to write with some paragraph structure, but you don't have to be super strict about it. So this asks you to cover 2 topics. The first one is what you've completed so far, and a description of your next tasks. So I would, since those are 2 different topics, I would probably write 2 paragraphs. One on completed, and you can reflect on how that went. These are journal entries, so you can have your thoughts and feelings in here. Things that you think you did well, things you're having trouble with. It doesn't have to be long. And then you should also write about what you're going to be doing next. So try to be specific. What tasks will you be performing next, and when will you be doing that, and how do you plan to go about it? So you should probably read, at least know what you're going to be working on next, so that means reading the assignment prompts, looking at it a little bit before you reflect on this. So something like that. So you're welcome to have section headings like I've done here or not. You can have this all in one paragraph, but I like practicing splitting what I've written into multiple paragraphs since it is changing topics. And that's all there is to it. You can revise this, and when you're done, just click Save Changes. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to save this. And yeah, that is your first progress report. And that will allow me to stay up to date, and look, if it looks like anyone's struggling, then I can talk to you and figure out a better solution. Alright, I hope that video was helpful, and there will be 2 more progress reports, so make sure you keep an eye out for those. And if you would like any more assistance, you can always bring your questions to our virtual classroom or send me an email. Okay, thank you.